Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video profile not deleted completely. The directory is not empty in Windows PC. So before we start the video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, press your Windows key, then type here sysdm.cpl. Open this option, then select here Advanced. Click on Settings. From here, delete your profile. Then close it. Go to the services. Here you select Windows Search. You can see here Windows Search. Open this. You can see here Windows Search. Select and double click. Click on Properties. Here you select Automatic Disable Start. Then click on Stop. Then click on Apply. Click on OK. After this, restart your PC or laptop. Fix your problem. So in this way you fix profile not deleted completely in Windows PC. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.